Hey there, yarn lovers. Ever looked at a knitting chart and felt like you were staring at a secret code? Well, fear not. Today, we're cracking the code together. I'm going to walk you through how to read a knitting chart, step by step, making it super easy for beginners like you. Get ready to unlock a whole new world of knitting possibilities. First things first, what exactly is a knitting chart? Think of it as a map for your knitting project. Instead of words, it uses symbols to tell you exactly what to do. Each square in the chart represents one stitch, and the symbol inside the square tells you which stitch to make. Okay, let's break it down. You'll usually see a legend or key with your chart. This is your decoder ring. It shows you what each symbol means. Common symbols include a blank square, which usually means knit, a line, which can mean purl, and other symbols that represent increases, decreases, or special stitches. Always refer to your key first. Now, how do you actually read the chart? It depends on whether you're knitting flat back and forth or in the round like a hat or a sock. If you're knitting flat, you'll read the chart from right to left on the right side. Rows odd numbered rows, and from left to right on the wrong side. Rows even numbered rows. Think of it like reading a book, but alternating directions. This is because you turn your work at the end of each row. So, you're essentially going back and forth, following the symbols row by row. If you're knitting in the round, it's simpler. You'll read the chart from right to left. Always. You're knitting in a continuous spiral, so you're always looking at the right side of the fabric. Easy peasy. Let's go through a simple example. Imagine a chart with just 2 rows. The first row right side has all knit stitches represented by blank squares. The second row wrong side has all purl stitches, maybe represented by a line. You'd knit all the stitches on the first row, then purl all the stitches on the second row. That's it. Pro tip: use a row counter and stitch markers. A row counter helps you keep track of where you are in the pattern, and stitch markers can highlight certain areas. What if a pattern has multiple repeats? Many patterns have sections that you repeat. For example, the pattern might say, repeat the next 10 stitches across the row. You'll work the symbols for those 10 stitches. Then repeat them until you reach the end of the row. Charts also often show you how to increase or decrease stitches. An increase adds a stitch, making your work wider. A decrease combines 2 or more stitches into one, making your work narrower. These will be clearly indicated by symbols in your chart. The key is your best friend here. Practice makes perfect. Start with a simple pattern to get a feel for reading charts. Don't be afraid to make mistakes, it's all part of the learning process. Don't worry if you get a bit confused at first. It takes time to get the hang of it. Just take your time and enjoy the process. So, grab your yarn and needles, find a simple pattern, and get ready to create something amazing. You've got this. Happy knitting, and I'll see you in the next video.